Okay, I've got my sentences all written out and ready to put into my paper, but how do I organize them? This is where we take out our outline form. For example, for the academic fair, the requirements for our paper are to have an intro with a hook and a summary of what we learned and a conclusion with a summary of what we learned. So we can start with that. So what I always start with for my outline is writing out my topic, my research question. I already know that. I'm not going to put it in my paper, but I know what it is. Looking at my research question and my research, I can figure out what the answer is. The answer turns in my thesis. So I turn my research question into a statement, which is my thesis. That's going to be the main topic of my intro. Then I'm going to find an interesting question or fact to use as my hook. And then I'm going to summarize the main points of my next 3 paragraphs. Then I'll have paragraph 2, 3, 4 for information, for the body of my paper. Each paragraph is going to have a main topic and details. I'll probably have about 4 to 5 details for each paragraph, so that I have a 5 to 6 sentence paragraph. Finally, after I have my body paragraphs done, I'll have a conclusion, which will just summarize what I wrote in my body. Your conclusion and your intro should be all I have to read to get the basic gist of what you're going to write. The details are going to be in your paragraphs inside the paper.